Once upon a time, in a quiet green meadow surrounded by soft hills and wildflowers, lived a gentle little bunny named Tommy. He had snowy white fur, big curious eyes, and the kindest heart in the land. Every evening, Tommy sat near the edge of the woods, where the trees whispered secrets with the wind. He always wondered what magical things might be hiding inside. One night, a tiny ladybug with a crown made of flower petals landed on Tommy's nose and said, "Tommy, the forest queen needs your help to bring back the light of dreams." Tommy followed the ladybug deep into the woods. The trees shimmered silver, mushrooms glowed gently, and sparkling butterflies lit the way. On his journey, Tommy met a sleepy fox who yawned stars, a turtle who spoke in rhymes, and a swarm of butterflies who danced like lanterns in the sky. At the heart of the woods, Tommy arrived at a crystal palace. There stood the forest queen, a graceful fairy with wings like moonlight and a gown made of stardust. The queen said, "Only a kind heart like yours can awaken the dream flower." Tommy stepped forward, touched the glowing petals, and the flower lit up like the stars. The queen smiled and placed a tiny glowing star in Tommy's fur. "This will help you dream the sweetest dreams and share them with others," she said. Tommy hopped home under the stars as he snuggled into his bed of soft moss. The little star glowed beside him, keeping the magic close. From that night on, Tommy had the most magical dreams, and if you listen closely, you might hear the whispering woods calling you too. Good night, little dreamer.